Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This box was sent by the good, the great, the Nick Chaves. So thank you very much, Nick, for sending these knives in. I know two of them, but I don't know if there's something else. I just can't remember. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you are enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to support me and get your hands on some cool stickers, there's a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and get in here. Make a quick cut, and then I'm just gonna kind of gorilla into it. Some cleaning cloths or packing material or both. Ah, yes. Nice. Okay, yeah, I believe that's just these two. Let's take a look here at this one first. Yeah, finally. I've been trying to get my hands on this forever. This is the Pacific Salt 2. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. In LC200N. I've actually never reviewed this knife specifically. But the reason I wanted to get my hands on it was because it's in LC200N. Given that and the construction of this, what it's made out of, this injection mold plastic / FRN Grivery, whatever you want to call it. I think it's officially FRN. Whatever. It's basically impervious to corrosion, and that's really cool, right? Despite the fact that it has, you know, a Delica-esque build, or Endura, or Endella, or whatever, right? It has that build, which is not something that really, you know, speaks to me as a knife enthusiast, right? The fact that it is essentially impervious to corrosion makes it really interesting. And it's a super popular model, so it'll be interesting to take a look at this guy. Let's go ahead and get into this one. This is the one that I was really excited about. Man, red. Very, very red. This is the Chaves Liberation 229. Oh boy, that's speaking my language there. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this. Let's try the old reverse flick. Can we get in there? Yeah, you can get in there and do that. And then of course your thumb flick. Very smooth. Oh, very smooth. If I remember correctly, these are being made by Rayot. Drop shut, completely drop shut. Let's do that again so you guys can see. Oh, there we go. This particular one has some beautiful texturing on it. A different texture pattern than what I usually go for, but it is appealing. These little sort of half circles, right? Or almost like little rainbows rising in different directions away from each other. Really, really interesting texture pattern. No texturing on the other side. Of course, the iconic skull clip that people either love or hate, and I'm sure you will all express your feelings and emotions right down in the description. And then life will proceed as it has since the very first time that Mr. Chaves graced us with the aesthetic of that clip. I'm joking around because people are always like, I love it, I hate it. Here's what I think, right? Even though that's what I do on my channel, right? The clip is what it is. I know some people would love the aesthetic of this design with a simple clip without the clip, right? Something, you know, just a little bit more minimalist as the rest of the design is, right? Personally, my thoughts on the clip are, it is kind of awkward, but it's also, I mean, the identification, it's also the main identifying factor that comes with these knives. And I think part of the massive rise to popularity with these things is the fact that the clip is so polarizing, right? If it wasn't polarizing, people wouldn't have been talking about it. And if they didn't talk about it in either positive or negative light, then there wouldn't be so much attention on it. Now, fortunately, on top of that, we have an incredible build quality, incredible materials, right? That big meatiness. This knife is a lot more meaty than I thought it was going to be, right? I thought it was going to be a lot slimmer and a lot smaller than the 229. But no, it's actually just, it's like a sibling. right? Slightly thinner or more narrow in profile, but it's just as robust. Very, very, very robust. Absolutely. So this is cool. I can't wait to, you know, get a closer look at this, give my thoughts on it. Really excited about that. I will link this guy down in the description. This guy, I don't know that I have specific links for it, but I know that they are floating around out there, so you guys can certainly find them. Other Chaves knives, if I can, you know, provide links, I'll put them down in the description. Again, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks so much once again, Nick Chaves, for sending some awesome knives in for review. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.